guys, Ralph here again. Right, I've got a bit of a mailbag today. I have 2 bits of mail. Now I'm going to open these up. I think if anybody's been following this, they know exactly what these should be. So, let's start with this one. Always nice to try and open something that somebody's done with brown tape. Usually I send my packages this way. It's brilliant. Right, first box we have, that is an official Sony PlayStation 2 transformer. Right, I'm going to show you something now. Let me find it. Tum-ti-tum. Now, that is the one I got from China. Wonderful. 8.5 volts. Same size, cable comes out at the bottom, plug on the top. That one weighs absolutely nothing. That, I could knock somebody out with that. So, we'll give this a quick go now. I think there's a power light on this, is there? No. If there ain't, we'll just check whether or not it blows up when I do this. I'm surprised there's no power light on that. Let's try by just plug this in. You might have noticed I forgot to put the battery back in when I did the strip down of the PS2, and this plastic part here, there's a glue on there, if this is any good. If it's not, I ain't bothered at all. So, with a power light there. Do you think, honestly, does anybody think that this might work with a better power supply in it? Let's have a try. Right, that's there. Let's see. Right, I've got the PlayStation coming on now. That was a long shot, by the way. I know the power supply definitely works. That's good. I think I could hear a whirring. It's got to be the there's got to be the fan inside it. Try reset again. Get that out. Okay. Well, I'm more happy with that power supply than the other one. So let's use that one and say that this one's absolute crap. I tried, but if you couldn't get one from the UK, then fine. So they've got exactly the same. Yeah, 1.5. Yeah. Apparently they're exactly the same. Yeah. These are code numbers at the bottom, a little different. Both made in China. That is 10 times heavier than the other. Let's just tilt this back up again. So, away. So, result on the power supply, but no. I do like some people's packaging. There's another cable. Use that. Now, can anybody guess what this is? No. Spiceworks, or is this a reused bag from Spiceworks? This is, ladies and gentlemen, voila, the Xbox original power supply. Now, I was talking to the guy the other day on my the strip down video that I did for the Xbox, and he suggested that it might not be the power supply after all. I know I've got 5 volts across there, but I'd have got nothing through the yellow one, which should have been 12 volts, or one way or other. But he suggested that there was a transceiver that might have gone on the motherboard. So while it's here, why not? Right. Why not indeed? Let's get this out. Right, he suggested, I think we'll get the magnifying glass on this. Magnify, magnify, magnify me. Thank you. Right, there's your chip. You still can't see a thing. Right. It was this bottom transceiver here. Transistor, sorry. But that doesn't seem bad at all. If you can get any better on there with it. Stop rolling, you crazy fool. Yep. Better. On there. And to me that looks perfectly fine. Let me have a look under myself. Still all the numbers on. The lettering's still on it, so I'm not 100%, but I don't think it is that. So if it has, oh, this is the one that shocked me the other day. I think I touched there. Maybe I touched there. Either way. I think I swore. Ah, touching the bottom of this again. You know what, I'm going to end up electrocuting myself again. Tiny changes. A bit of dirt. Oh. Let's test this while it's here. It's 20 pin. There was 2 different types of Xbox power supply. This is the version 1.6, which, if anybody actually knows, that means it's got the 20 pin power supply. The other one had the 12. So let's shove that in. I'm going to see if this works. Now you can't see the front of this, but I can move that back. Power supply in, button here, and I haven't turned on the socket. Right, socket is now on. This is now live. The power button goes. That is working. And I've got flashing lights on the front. Right. Get in. Right, Xbox. Hello, by the way. Right. Function now. Xbox is an AV1. I have not had this on yet since I got it, so you are going to be here to watch this if this works. So I'm going to be pressing this in 3, 2. The suspense is killing me. Get back in focus. Go. I have not seen that for a long time. Long time. Now if I want to go past that, Oh, there's no hard drive. How can it? Yeah. I'm quite happy. I'm actually really quite happy. I don't know what will have gone on here. Service required, yeah, because there's no bloody hard drive in there. Yeah, I do wonder what has gone in here. I mean, if it is a transistor in here, capacitors look fine. I have no idea what I'm looking for. Sorry. But I need a bleep machine. I'm going to pause you, and I'm going to put this back together, and yes, come on. Back in a minute. Ooh, it's my birthday. Ooh. Back together again. Right. That's in. I need to do a little bit of clean down of this, and I was going to do the chips. Put new thermal paste on them, but I just want to get into this. Right. That's on a dancing. I might need to get another controller for this. This cable has been wrapped to death. It's just... I'm quite glad that this thing did not need transistor doing. Oh, I've just broke it. No. The transistor doing, because it looked, to be honest, like a pain in the ass. Right, I'm delaying turning this thing on for no reason. So, let's go. Woohoo! And... lights on the front of this are green. Working. Oh. What time is it? I don't even care. Oh yeah, I do. I'm a nerd. PM. 6. Is it 24 hours? Not very rubbish, isn't it? I think it's 6:20. 1. Date we on? I don't know. Oh, 1. God, that's loud, this. A lot of heat. Not heat. Air coming out. That's a good fan. May. What are we on now? Oh, it's 25th. Boop. Memory. Is there anything on this? Searching. Oh, okay. So this has been used. Baldur's Gate. Problem solved. None of these. Ah, we have the Crash Bandicoot, don't we? Yes. Was it Nitrous Circuit? Let me find. I was a lot of games. I wouldn't be in the place that I think I would be. Right, so Crash is Crash Team Racing. Yeah, you know what it is. So, Crash Bandicoot TWOC. Really? I haven't got one. Whoever's had this before has had a few games. I don't know if they've been through them long, but Da Vinci Code? I don't know. 13. Music. See, I don't know if there's anything in this. I hope. I really do hope there's something in there, but I don't. Yeah. Trail works fine. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to correct a mistake I did a long time ago, and that is I didn't have halo. So let's chuff that thing in. Let's see if I can get done for copywriting on this video. You could not make profit on your video. You cannot monetize. Oh, look at that. And so the hard drive works with me reading it. That was a half gig though, wasn't it? Oh, 500 gig. That. I am so happy. Who disturbed the monks? Yeah, why not? Well, the controller works anyway. Oh yeah, let's go easy. You couldn't see that. ABXY. With my controller of choice, the motor's in there. My controller of choice for playing Elite Dangerous is the 360 pad, and it's smaller than this, lighter, and it does fit really well. If I do a PS2, PS1, well actually a PS, they're all pretty same anyway, aren't the controllers? But if I could get one of those on instead of, then I would. But I just can't be bothered to mess around with it. So while that's loading, I'm just going to tidy up. So, forgive the noise. Oh, come on.
All I need to know is did we lose them?
I think we both know the answer to that.
Very Babylon 5-ish. The panelling on the ship.
We made a blind jump. How did they?
Get here first? Covenant ships have always been faster. As for tracking us all the way from Reach, at light speed my maneuvering options were limited.
We were running dark. Yes.
Until we decelerated, no one could have missed the whole story subspace.
Gin.
They were waiting for us on the far side of the planet.
So, where do we stand?
Our fighters are mopping up the last of their recon picket now, nothing serious. But I've isolated approach signatures for multiple TCS-class battle groups, making 3 capital ships per crew. And in about 90 seconds,
Getting a
it's
chin.
all over.
Well,
Nope.
that's it then. Bring the ship back up to combat alert alpha. I want everyone at this station.
Everyone, sir?
Everyone.
You want to kick ass.
And Cortana,
Chew bubble gum. I'm all out of gum.
let's give our old friends a warm welcome.
I've already begun. Attention all combat personnel. Please report your action statement.
To say this was a flagship game for this system, yeah, do wish I bought it now.
You heard the lady. Move like you got a purpose.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
I can move my legs like that when I stand that way and smack down. No,
Your eyes downrange, fingers on your trigger.
it's not flip-flops
All go
anyway.
home in one piece. Am I right, Marine? Damn right I am. Now move it out. Double time.
Get on with it, I'm pressing A. I'm not rushing, but why not? What? Oh,
Sorry
hello.
for the quick thaw, Master Chief. Things are a little hectic right now. But this orientation should pass quickly.
Hello.
Chief, please look around the room. I need
done that.
a calibration reading for your battlesuit's diagnostics. Good. Thank you, sir.
Green. I'm going off. Hello. Hello. No, don't charge me.
Vital
No.
signs look normal. No freezer burn. Okay,
I really
go
should
ahead
have
and climb out of the cryo.
put this controller in the wash. I'll get some wet wipes on this. I'm not stripping it down. I can't see the point except for the cable. Oh, we're doing X to exit dry tube. That's genius. Look at me.
I gave you a double dose of the wake-up stim. Take a quick walk around the cryo bay and join me at the optical
I
diagnostics.
gave you Red Bull. Red Bull.
Sir, I need you to look at me so we can begin.
Hello? Hello? No. Oh, I duck. Can I jump? One of them jump. I fire. Now I gotta go. Oh. Where is it? Alright, here you go.
Red square, please.
Oh, pretty red square. Hello. No, it's not red. Ah!
Okay, sir, look at me so we can begin.
Where are you? Oh, there
I
you
know
are.
the ordnance techs usually take care of your targeting sensors, but we're short of time, Chief. Just look at each of the flashing panels.
Don't want to, you shouted at me.
When you lock on, it'll change color.
Nope. Yes.
Okay, that looks good. Sir, I'm getting some calibration errors. I'm going to insert your looking sticker so you can see like
Mm-hmm.
Try plugging the flashing light together.
No. What?
Is that better or should I fix it back?
B.
Okay. Try looking up and down again. You want me to leave it like that or switch it back?
I can't play this more. Yes! So, we have success. I need to check that disc out. The Xbox works. I fixed something! Hooray! Don't you love it when it goes right? This isn't the end of this, because I think I might do all sorts with this. Turn it into a media player, get it chipped. Actually, that's a 50,000. How high big is the hard drive now? Come on, you little bugger. Is it 80? Worse than digital, obviously. Oh, who cares anyway, it bloody works. Right, anyway, thank you for watching. Sorry, missed that one then, but yes, back on again. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the suggestions on the last Xbox video. Glad it wasn't needed, because my soldering skills, well, solder's written out. They've got more than that. But my soldering skills are a little bit lacking with something that small, but let's hope this will go pretty well. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Patreon. Donate on Patreon. Please like. It really helps the video. Maybe I have to start with that one on the video. Yeah, maybe I will. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.